Heyligenstaedt.
I think it's 18.
18 RPM. Here you go. The clutch drive, inch and metric. All right. Got it in. Now we're going to do a feed for you. There's cross feed. Reversing the direction. Dead threading. There we go. There's longitudinal. There's also power to the compound as well. How do you engage that? And there's power to the compound. Alright, we'll do some different RPMs now. That was 28 RPM. Do it again, turn it on. 28 RPM. Alright. If you get the hand right in the middle, if the handle right in the middle, it'll break. There we go. 112 RPM. Alright, stop. Braking. 450? No.
That's 112.
112. Alright, we'll go faster. Alright. We're winding up slow to 450 RPM. That's as fast as that thing should go. Alright, that's good. I think the important thing is you can hear the gearbox. Nice and quiet. Not that you would go that fast. I'm filming. Wait a minute, we're not in gear.
I think that's 180.
180 RPM. Smooth, baby. Alright, shut her down. 45 RPM. The little clanking are the jaws. Alright, thanks for viewing our Heyligenstaedt 36 by 16 foot lathe.